Did you know that robots are now cooking and serving food? From robots cooking up a storm to AI predicting the perfect wine pairing, the food industry is being transformed in bizarre and exciting ways. Join us on a journey to explore the unexpected ways in which artificial intelligence is changing the way we grow, prepare, and enjoy our food. The food industry has always been driven by innovation, from the earliest farming techniques to modern-day biotechnology. However, one of the most significant recent developments in the industry has been the integration of artificial intelligence, AI. With AI, the food industry is changing in unexpected and exciting ways, from automated grocery stores to robots that can cook and serve food. But the impact of AI on the food industry is not without its challenges and limitations. The food business has already embraced AI, which is fundamentally altering how we see food. Additionally, AI is advancing in the fields of nutrition and sustainability. In this video, we'll look at some of the strangest ways AI is changing our connection with food, from minimizing waste to making meals that are specifically catered to our tastes. You may be wondering why and how AI has become a major player in the food industry. Yes, it streamlines many processes, but that's only scratching the surface of the strange and unexpected ways AI is changing the way we eat. For starters, AI is being used to identify pests and molds on farms, saving farmers time and money. It can also identify and remove stones from grains that would otherwise be missed by manual labor. Artificial intelligence, AI, has made a significant impact in the food industry, not only in farming but also in food production. Manufacturers are using AI to detect flaws in food products during manufacturing and develop new recipes by running thousands of combinations through algorithms. AI is also revolutionizing the restaurant industry by learning customer habits and predicting their orders. Undoubtedly, AI has transformed the food industry, and this is just the beginning of its potential impact. Groceries. Have you heard about the latest trend in grocery shopping? Move over, self-driving cars. Automated grocery stores are the new players in town, and they're powered by artificial intelligence and robotics. These stores offer a seamless shopping experience where customers can enter, shop, and check out using only their mobile app, all thanks to AI technology. The benefits of AI in these stores are astounding. Automatic identification of items as customers move them around the store, real-time tracking of customers' movement, image recognition and machine learning to search for items, RFID technology to track inventory and pricing information in real time, and personalized discounts and offers. The result? An amazing shopping experience that is faster, more convenient, and more efficient, with no checkouts or lines. And of course, these stores reduce labor costs by automating checkout processes. This new wave of shopping is set to revolutionize the way people shop all over the world, and it's all thanks to AI. From precision agriculture to food safety, AI is transforming the food industry. But is it a blessing or a curse? Watch until the very end as we explore the potential benefits and drawbacks of AI adoption in the food industry. Optimizing food supply chain logistics. One of the most promising applications of AI in the food industry is in optimizing food supply chain logistics. While not immediately apparent, AI technology has proven to be incredibly helpful in streamlining the way food moves through the supply chain. For instance, AI-driven robots are now utilized to efficiently sort through thousands of orders a day, completing the task faster and more accurately than human labor alone. With the aid of sensors and algorithms, these robots can accurately differentiate between different types of fruit on a conveyor belt, significantly improving the efficiency of the sorting process. As a result, supermarkets can now stock their shelves more frequently and with greater precision than before. The implementation of AI in food supply chain logistics has immense potential to transform the way food is moved and distributed throughout the industry, enhancing both its efficiency and effectiveness. Shipping companies. AI is also helping shipping companies improve route planning and make better decisions about orders by combining machine learning with geographical info. For example, AI can calculate the best way for a truck driver to drive from one place to another without having to miss multiple pickups, saving time in the process. So now with AI working behind the scenes, your favorite food order is likely getting shipped faster than ever before. Automation. AI even helps automate packaging processes as well. Robotics has progressed far enough that machines take just a few seconds to wrap individual items inside custom boxes. And this certain automation technology uses facial recognition software to identify each item and decide which size of box it should go into. How cool is that? So if you didn't know before, now you know. AI is transforming how we get our groceries and other goods delivered quickly and safely. AI in food industry. Is it a blessing or a curse? The use of AI in the food industry has been met with both excitement and trepidation. On one hand, AI promises to revolutionize the way we produce, distribute, and consume food. On the other hand, there are concerns about job displacement, data privacy, and the potential for AI to exacerbate existing inequalities in the food system. One case study that illustrates the potential of AI in the food industry is the use of precision agriculture. By collecting and analyzing data on soil quality, weather patterns, and crop yields, farmers can use AI to optimize their farming practices and increase efficiency. This not only reduces costs and increases profits, but also minimizes the environmental impact of farming. Another area where AI is changing the food industry is in food safety. Monitor food storage and transportation conditions, and track the origin of food products. This not only improves food safety for consumers, but also reduces the risk of food recalls and the associated costs for producers. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on the food industry. One potential drawback is the displacement of jobs, particularly for low-skilled workers in the agricultural and food processing sectors. There are also concerns about the use of data and the potential for AI to reinforce existing power dynamics in the food system. Challenges and limitations of AI in the food industry. While the use of artificial intelligence, AI, in the food industry has brought about significant improvements, there are still several challenges and limitations that need to be addressed. Some of these limitations include job displacement worries. As AI is deployed more widely in the food business, there are rising worries that technology could replace human labor, especially in industries like manufacturing, precision agriculture, and food safety. While AI might increase the effectiveness and precision of some processes, it might also result in job losses for those who have traditionally carried out these duties. Current technology's drawbacks. Although AI has enormous potential for the food industry, it still has some limitations. An example, when it comes to difficult activities like recipe development or flavor profiling. Existing AI technology may not be sufficiently sophisticated to fully reproduce the nuanced decision-making abilities of human experts. Ethical considerations. As with any new technology, there are ethical considerations to be addressed when it comes to AI in the food industry. For example, the use of AI in food production may raise concerns about food safety, privacy, and the responsible use of data. Costs of implementation. While the long-term benefits of AI adoption in the food industry may be significant, there are still significant costs associated with implementing the technology, such as the cost of equipment, software, and training. These costs may be prohibitively high for some companies, particularly smaller players in the industry. Overall, while the use of AI in the food industry presents many exciting opportunities for growth and innovation, it is important to also consider the potential challenges and limitations that come with its adoption. By addressing these issues head-on, we can ensure that the use of AI in the food industry is both responsible and sustainable for the long term. As we've seen, AI is turning the food industry upside down with its bizarre transformations, from self-driving grocery stores to robotic sorting of orders. While there are challenges and limitations to be addressed, the potential benefits of AI adoption in the food industry are exciting. By embracing these new technologies, we can improve the efficiency and sustainability of our food systems, while creating new opportunities for innovation and growth. Will it bring us a utopian future or a dystopian nightmare? Only time will tell. One thing is for sure, the future of food is looking both impressive and ironic with the power of AI. That's it for today. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe.